Episode 4 Taxonomical Aid. What is taxonomical aid? Taxonomical aid is the techniques, procedures, and stored information that are useful in identification and classification of organisms. Different types of taxonomical aid. Different types of taxonomical aids are herbarium, taxonomic keys, botanical garden, zoological park, museum. First one, herbarium. Herbarium is the process kept by dried and pressed plant specimen mounted on sheets and arranged systematically on classification of Bentham and Hooker's classification. Herbarium kept in a sheet which carry a label providing information about date and place of collection, which is written in English, local languages and botanical names, and also includes family, collector's name and other information related to that particular herbarium. Herbarium serves as a quick reference system. Largest herbarium in our country is Central National Herbarium, Howrah in Kolkata. Largest herbarium in world is Royal Botanical Garden in England. These are some herbarium. Second one, taxonomical keys. It is used for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. Taxonomic keys are generally based on contrasting characters. It is useful for identifying unknown organisms. Contrasting characters are generally in a pair. It is known as couplet. Each statement in the key is known as lead. Third one, botanical garden. Botanical garden, collection of living plants maintained for reference. It is natural and economical reference system. It maintains different plant species for various corners of the world. It should have greenhouse, research laboratory, a library, herbarium, etc. Indian Botanical Garden, Howrah and National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow are located in India. Royal Botanical Garden in England is the largest botanical garden. These are some clips from Botanical Garden in Kolkata. The largest banyan tree collection is in this garden. Then fourth, zoological park. These are enclosed area where animals are kept in open enclosures instead of cages. Zoological park enable us to learn about their food habit and behavior. Zoo of Kolkata is the largest zoo in India. Kruger in South Africa is the largest zoological park in the world. These are some clips from Indian Indira Gandhi Zoological Park. Fifth one, museum. Museum of collections of preserved plants and animals or the study and reference which is maintained. Specimens are preserved in container or jar with a preservative solution. A museum is maintained to preserve plants like algae, fungi, mosses, and ferns and parts of gymnosperms because they cannot be preserved in herbarium. Plants and animals specimens preserved as a dry specimen. Insects are preserved in insect box after collecting, killing and pinning. Largest animals like birds and mammals are usually stuffed and preserved. Largest museum in the world, Louvre in France. Largest museum in India, the Indian Museum in Kolkata. These are some clips from Henry B. Plant Museum, Florida. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel on YouTube and Facebook, Jenny's Knowledge Hub.